Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to view Pinterest profile picture. You can personalize your profile to make it your own. Add a profile cover to express yourself and share your best content. Your profile can be viewed by anyone on Pinterest. You can customize your profile cover and upload an image if you have a Pinterest business account. So, to view your profile, open the Pinterest app, tap your profile icon from the bottom menu. Then, tap your current profile picture. So, it's very simple to view your picture. To update your profile picture, tap your profile. And then, choose a photo from your camera roll and select your profile. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.